Hi, my name is Lee Austin with Mills Ford, Brainerd, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an F350 2005. This has a 6.0 diesel in this. Stock number 1U100330. This particular vehicle I sold new, local. Very nice condition. Got your running boards, FX4 package with the skid plates. Got your tonneau cover, receiver hitch. It's got your hookup for your pinto ball. Aluminum wheels, very nice condition. Signal mirrors, got your tow hooks and fog lamps on the front. Take a look inside. Seats are very clean. You got a power seat with lumbar. Air conditioning, AM, FM stereo. It's got your brake controller. You got adjustable pedals, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, automatic headlamps, power windows and locks. Take a look in the back. Real clean back there also. Sliding rear window. Very nice vehicle to pull that boat or camper. Stop in and take a look at this one and many others at Mills Ford, Brainerd, Minnesota.